Hello everyone, I am Achini Veerasinghe. I represent Massey University in Auckland, New Zealand. This paper is about occupant energy behaviors, a review of indoor environmental quality and influential factors. Authors of the paper are myself, Isiaku Rashid and James Rotimi. As you experience in day-to-day life, you are trying to adjust the building environment or adapt yourself to the indoor environment to improve your comfort satisfaction within your surrounding. However, these actions are often overlooked and the factors which driven these occupant actions are unknown in terms of energy consumption of building. Therefore, this study is based on a review of 50 theses to highlight the occupant behaviors on the energy consumption based on the relationship to indoor environmental quality and influential factors. Let's move to the presentation. This is the indicative content, a brief introduction, occupant energy behaviors, indoor environmental quality and occupant energy behaviors, factors influencing occupant energy behaviors, and finally the conclusion. Building owners and designers use energy simulation to evaluate the energy performance of building at the design stage. Thereby, they can improve energy efficiency by making necessary modifications. In this end, it has been identified there is a discrepancy between simulated and actual energy consumption due to different occupant behaviors in buildings. And these occupant behaviors are identified as important input parameters to building energy predictions. Uncertainty of these behaviors significantly affect these energy predictions. However, this has been often overlooked in energy simulation process in the building design stage. These occupant behaviors can be identified as unconscious and conscious actions or they are reactions to create a comfortable environment. Thereby, building occupants influence the internal environment through their presence in the building and by modifying the building systems and components. In a recent study, Hong et al. 2017 categorized occupant behavior as adaptive and non-adaptive behaviors. Adaptive behaviors include actions such as opening closing windows, lowering blinds, adjusting thermostats, turning lighting on/off, and operation of plug-ins such as portable heaters and fans to adjust environment to their preferences and also include actions such as adjusting clothing, drinking hot cold beverages, and moving through spaces to adapt themselves to the environment. On the other hand, non-adaptive behaviors include reporting discomfort, taking no actions, occupant presence in the building, and operation of plug-in and equipment such as computers, screens, kitchen appliances, and office equipment and appliances. Further, these occupant behaviors are complex and dynamic, also influenced by various factors. Therefore, these occupant behaviors represent a challenge. The findings of this review show that majority of existing studies focused on actions such as the operation of plugins, opening closing windows, turning lighting on off, adjusting thermostats and lowering blinds to adjust the indoor environment to their preferences. Non-adaptive behaviors such as the occupant presence and reporting discomfort are also identified as significant. However, many studies focus on single energy behavior, although these behaviors are often interlinked and significantly affect energy consumption. Indoor environmental quality can be broadly categorized into thermal comfort, indoor air quality, visual comfort, and acoustic comfort. In terms of these parameters, opening closing of windows are highly practiced to improve all these indoor environmental quality parameters, whereas operational plugins such as portable heaters and fans and adjusting thermostats are to improve thermal comfort, while turning lighting on off and lowering blinds related to visual comfort. The major factors influencing occupant behaviors can be categorized into six types of factors, such as physical environmental, contextual factors, time related factors, social, physiological, and psychological. Under these main types of factors, 17 sub-factors were identified. Amongst physical, environmental, and contextual factors are highly significant. Physical environmental factors are indoor environmental conditions such as temperature, humidity, air speed, radiant temperature, noise, air pressure, and indoor air quality, and also include climate. Contextual factors are building characteristics, building systems and appliances, user-centered design, and building elements. However, the focus on other factors such as time, social, physiological, and psychological factors are uh, considered less and need more attention. Finally, this literature review based on 50 theses recommends to consider occupant comfort related parameters and all the significant influential factors to recognize the dynamic nature of occupant energy behavior. Thereby incorporating those into occupant centric energy efficiency strategies is required. Further, in future, a scientific study that describes the dominant indoor environmental quality factors and influential factors of energy behaviors need to be conducted with the actual occupants in buildings. Thank you for listening to my presentation. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Thank you.